everyone, we're going to Dao right now and we're going to find some table for our living room. So let's go.
City Mall down, and we park inside the City Mall. I will show this one. It's City Mall already, and have free parking. This is exit is going to the Dow terminal also. Another side of Dow terminal. Shaira, let's go. No, it's not cold inside. You can see it's free parking, but it's until only 9 p.m. only until 9 p.m. Inside Perchokin, also Mary Mart grocery. Mary Mart grocery. I never been inside. Also never been inside Mary Mart grocery.
But same before you take some juice there by
I don't know. Oh, it's not so small. It's not small, a big like supermarket. Not small, Shaira. It's big. First we go into the second floor and check here. In a Chinese shop have a store. Tennis also here. Tennis good. And so many already closed. Before this also Chinese shop.
Chinese shop also.
Oh, another also closed Chinese shop. Yes, here. All closed, all. Only furniture shop. No, I want different. Okay, I will take a look. Can I take a look? It's okay, camera, no
Yes.
problem. Okay, thank you. We need to small table. Same like this. This is table, I think 2,450. Shaira, this is size is good for us.
Okay.
But what do you think?
It's okay also.
We go into the Builders now. Builders, it's another side of the road near Dow terminal. It's Dow Access Road. What Dow access road, this one, yeah? This way, going to the Angeles, left side Angeles, right side Балакат. This is terminal. And builders another side, these builders. Entrance to builders open from 8 to 8. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Oh, but where? Ah, this side. Yes, another side. We have so many tiles. Before we build house, we always buy here. Because I bought here before so many from this shop. Because I use Chinese account and very easy for me. I build house and all buy from here. Good afternoon. We're renovation, under renovation right now. It's a big market, big store. Don't know how to say. Furniture, second floor. Speaker. Oh, before I bought this speaker. I have very good speaker. Yes, the same.
1,000.
Yes. It's already including two microphones, wireless microphones. Good afternoon. Copyright music. Don't have table here, we will come back in another shop. We going back to the same shop because it's good price, 2,450. It's already with two seats?
2 table.
Not two table.
2 seats.
2 seats table. Chair. City Mall, Dow терминал. Before here have Inasal, Watsons have. Now only one Choking have and Mary Mart grocery only. All closed already. Good afternoon. And 5 p.m. Shaira, 5 p.m. Many people play here. Dance. So what you want? Now sing song?
Yes.
First we we go into the shop, I buy. He prepare, and you can wait in there and sing song, okay?
Okay. Because no one singing right now, that's why better
Okay,
for
okay. Entrance, Shira. Yeah.
Hi everyone, we just finished bought our new table.
Yes, our table. It's for work also and for eat. Universal table. Yes, good. Good size. Not big, not small. Okay, so we're going now. You want to sing song? Sing song.
Then after that,
And
go to Inasal.
In Asal also you pick up.
Uh-huh.
Because she already bought in.
They give to us. Wow, so many coins.
So many coins. How much? So you not count before?
200.
200. Good. For kids only. Okay, you want to sing? Maybe not working. Ask first. Shira. Voice. Hello, welcome to
Well,
our...
you came and down to me, and now this must be the one. Just one that I can't get to. There's still a chance to start once again. Live with.
We just arrived here in home and we bought also some food in Mang Inasal and also the table. So good.
But for you it's okay size? Little
It's okay.
little bit bigger.
Bit bigger, but it's okay.
Because it's chair smaller.
Uh-huh. But it's okay. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.